Is someone being troublesome or bothering you? Well, don't worry. There's a method that you can follow in order to block someone on eBay. Here we go. First of all, go to the official website of eBay and log into your account if you haven't already. You can either search here for the block buyer list page or just go to directly ebay.com/bgmt/buyerblock. This will take you to the blocked buyers list. Here you can block the buyers from your listings. Scroll down and go to the blocked buyer list. You can insert the username or email addresses that are being troublesome. When you enter the email address or the username, click submit. Since this is not a real username, it won't work, but it will work in your case. To input multiple names, you have to hit the comma and then put another name. In order to come here often, just bookmark this page and you'll be able to come here anytime and add or remove buyers. And that's how you block someone on eBay. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos just like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.